learn about something that does not really need an introduction. That is electricity. We see it everywhere, every single day. It powers our phones, computers, TV, lights, and many other things. In fact, we are so used to it that imagining our world without electricity or gadgets would be impossible. In this video, we will take a closer look at the important parts of our life. So let's begin our journey to understand the world of electricity. You might have heard and even used words like electric current or current when referring to electricity. But what is current? Let's take an example to answer this. Imagine a river flowing downhill really fast. We see that this river has a current in the downward direction. This flow of water is called water current. Similarly, the flow of air or wind is also called air current. So, flow of anything can be called current. Now that you have understood what water and air current are, now what do you think about electric current? Electric current is the flow of electrical charges or simply charge. We already learned about different charges carriers. Let's quickly recall what we learned. We know about electrons, which are negatively charged particles. We also learned about ions, sodium plus, which can be both positive and negative electrons. If any of these charges particles flow, we can call it electric current. A lot of devices which we run on an electric current. But how much current do they need? Every device needs a different amount of current, right? Think about it. Does your fridge need more current or your phone charger? Yes, your fridge needs more current, but how do we calculate and measure electric current? Let's find out. We just learned that current is a flow of charge. How is charge represented? Yes, we use the capital Q to represent the charges. Represent current, we use capital I. Current is automatically defined as the rate of flow of charge.
Thanks for watching my video. वीडियो को लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करिए ताकि जब भी मेरा नेक्स्ट वीडियो आए तो आपके पास तुरंत मैसेज पहुंच जाए। थैंक यू।